Google Translate is a great resource to have in your extensions bar. It not only is great for when you need to translate for families or if an article comes up and you need to translate it for a student, it's a great resource. And so let's take a look at how it works. So you would just simply go into, because I forgot to tell you, go into Chrome Web Store, extensions, and type in Google Translate and it'll come up. And then obviously add it to your Chrome extensions. So here, let's jump into this dog document. And you have a few ways of activating your Google Translate. So you can highlight a whole section of words and it'll pop up here and you can click that. Or you can come up here to your extension icon, or you can simply right click and select Google Translate. So I'll right click and select Google Translate and it's going to open a new tab and it's going to give it to me in English here, and then here it's going to give it to me in Spanish. I can hear it read it to me. I can change it if I don't want Spanish and I want a different language. I can choose any other language that I might need to translate it. And then I also have the option to copy the translation. So if I needed to paste it into a doc or an email, I could look at some suggested edits, or I could even share this translation. If it's one that you know you're going to use a lot, like obviously this one wouldn't be because it's just from an article, but if it's something that you're going to use a lot, you can star it and it'll save it right here to your favorites. So when you open Translate, it'll be there for you. Let's go back to this doc again. So now you'll see I have it highlighted, and now I'm going to come up here to my extension, which gives us a few more options. So here it's going to automatically translate it from English to Spanish, but then it's going to give you the option to translate the entire page. So if you want to translate that entire website, it's going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to see a bar up here showing you that it has translated to that language. You can also X out of that, and then it brings it back to English. The other thing I want to show you in your extension is Open in Translate. So you can also open up Google Translate, and again, it brings you back to this page here. So you have a few different options for accessing Translate, for utilizing Translate. If you don't want these words anymore and you want to type in a new message, you can do so, and then it will obviously translate it, and then you can always save it, copy it, paste it, whatever you would like to do. Nice little tool, very helpful, very efficient. Enjoy Google Translate.